Hey folks, Nick here from Colortex, and for today's how-to, we'll see how we hoop a left chest t-shirt. So, my favorite is a Hoopmaster jig that keeps everything nice and clean, places everything in line. I buy it from my good friend Alnor from Twiga Industry. When we use this thing, for me personally, there's these two pins at the back, and I use them as an alignment tool to actually line them on the edge of the table so that thing can never move. Then from there, you open up the two flaps, and then you grab the hoop. This is super important, the bottom hoop, that you make sure that the tension wheel here is not too tight or too loose because it'll avoid puckering. For me, you know, I played by ear and I kind of know t-shirts thickness is about this tension. You take it, put it in to the jig. Next, you follow with a cutaway backing that I also get from my good friend Alnor from Twiga Industries. Depending on the garment, thickness and fabric, or the logo that's going on there, it might be one piece, two piece, but for the sake of this showcase, we'll just put one piece. Put it in there, close the flaps, the magnetic keeps everything nice and close. Also, as you will see here, there's some numbers in that help you align everything. I kind of always seem to use number 14 on the left chest, and I kind of adjust unless they're super small pieces or super big pieces. But for me, 14 is kind of that nice number, and I just adjust the collar afterwards. So you grab the piece from your stack, hold it from the bottom, open everything up, and then I kind of just roll it a little bit, and you slide it in. Then you got to make sure that the shoulders are nice and tucked on the sides. Make sure that you're centered, make sure that the collar is nice. And then what I always like to do is kind of grab the hoop, place it in there, make sure we're all centered. And then my perfect spot is lined with the collar and lined with the middle of the sleeve cup. So you kind of just lift the side here and see that we're kind of centered here on the side. And then once we're there, we make sure that we're lined up here. We push on the top to make sure that we fall in place. And then with one movement, we just snap the bottom, and then we're in. We lift it up, grab the garment out of here, and we are ready to put the shirt into the machine. Collar right in. So this is how we do it. So thank you for watching. If ever you want to geek out on some embroidery stuff, love to chat, feel free to reach out, follow us. Thanks for watching. Cheers.